Hello there everybody, I have this Nana Fuzzy Surprise box. I got this a little bit ago and I've been really excited to open it, but I just kept putting it off. There's a little bit that says push here, so open. Oh, it's got some strong packaging. It seems to have ripped at the same bit on either side. So I'll just try and get it out of the top bit. It's all some of the accessories. The instruction book. Stacked with surprises. The checklist on the back has a cool poster of all the characters from this line. Well, checklist on the back, it is the checklist. But words are tough. So let's get opening these little ones. Let's see. Hit some fuzzy glasses that I'm guessing I need to work that off to get them looking like they should. We've got some fuzzy shoes. And here there is oh, it's a fuzzy shirt. Little tiger fuzz on it. This bag we have a fuzzy little skirt, which is cute. That one leaped out, and it's a little fuzzy hat. This big bag, which will be the doll itself, if I can get it open. Oh, she's very cute and also extra fuzzy and covered in confetti, which is quite cute. Some of them are like different animal head shapes, if you can see here. Very sweet. And she has a really big, long, flowing lock of hair. Yeah, very cute. So here she is out the packaging. You can see she's got like a full fuzzy tiger on, which I'll need to get off her before I can show you how she looks. Same for all her little clothes, but I'll try and add a little photo in at the end here to show you that. But yeah, she's really cute. Her hair is really nice. Like, it feels so good. So smooth and clean. Yeah, let you guys know how it turns out in the end.